Okay, so I got a 2010 Toyota Corolla LE. I got 258,000 miles on it. I bought it for 255,000 miles for $6,000. And the only issues I've had with this vehicle so far is that I kept getting misfires, and so I replaced the coils and plugs. And then it turns out that this particular model and year, I guess, has where you need the best of the best spark plugs because they last longer, and the ones I've been getting that were really cheap, the cheapest ones they had at O'Reilly's, it's getting them burning out, and I had to replace them multiple times. The car would go in limp mode where it wouldn't go above 40 miles an hour. Just pretty much all safety regulations type of thing, just making it slow so you wouldn't hurt yourself. Started having issues with that. Then I kept on replacing the spark plugs and coils, and finally got the more expensive ones and put them in there, and I've had no issues whatsoever after that. And then to resolve all that, to get to where I have now issues, is that it was my catalytic converter issues popping up on the reader for O'Reilly's. And it turns out that the catalytic converter is the main fault of the misfires, supposedly. So they recommended this to me, so you can see it clearly. And anyways, I use this, and you got to use it on like almost to E gas tank. So you got to get your gas tank down to maybe 1/4 of a tank, and then put that in, the whole thing in there, and then fill it up. And then you need to go on the highway for 40 to 60 miles. After 60 miles, that's when the lights turned off. I had the engine light, check engine light, and I had the vehicle safety system on there turned off, and it was flashing. But if you use that, then all of it goes away, and I do feel more power in the vehicle, and all that stuff went away. So give that a try. Hope this helps somebody.